Now in Brooklyn, 2 gunshot victims were found late Sunday night. Police are still looking for that suspect who's on the run. Let's get right to Robert Moses. He joins us from the scene in East Flatbush, Brooklyn, where, Robert, police received a 911 call about one man, and they arrived and found 2.
That's right, Tashani, and an NYPD crime scene unit remains here at the scene about 8 hours after police first responded. Police say they found the victims in a hallway on the 4th floor of a building here at the Flatbush Gardens apartment complex. Police, as you mentioned, responded to that 911 call right before 10:40 last night. The call was for a man shot, but when they got here, they found 2 men shot, a 27-year-old as well as a 47-year-old. Both had suffered multiple gunshot wounds, both pronounced dead at the scene. Sources say this does not appear to be gang-related, but police do say the shooter may have had a dispute with his 2 victims. Shootings this year citywide are down by more than 26% compared to last. That's pretty pronounced according to the most recent NYPD statistics. And here in the 67th precinct, shootings are down by more than 19%. We spoke to a man who told us that he frequents this area.
It's an area that I come to in Brooklyn all the time, and I've never really heard anything of gun violence in this community so much. So it's shocking to me.
Police tell me the initial suspect description was of a man wearing a blue jacket, blue jeans, and tan boots. Again, that shooter still on the loose this morning. Police have not yet made any arrests. Live in East Flatbush this morning.